Distinguished guests, colleagues and friends, good morning, or should I say good evening, and warm greetings from almost the other side of the world, currently somewhere between Australia and New Zealand. I must begin with my sincere apologies for not being able to join you in person. I can assure you that being present in Botswana would have been my strong preference, and I'm genuinely sorry to be missing what I know will be a wonderful occasion. I am, however, deeply honoured to have been allowed to say a few words at the opening of this conference, and I'm delighted to do so. Well, my connection with Botswana goes back to 2017, when I first became a visiting professor at BIUST. It's been one of the most rewarding associations of my career, and I've watched with enormous pride as astronomy in Botswana has grown and flourished in the years since. Astronomy matters. It matters in ways that extend far beyond the night sky. Astronomy is often described as a science of curiosity, but it's also a science of capability. It drives technological innovation, strengthens expertise in engineering and data science, and inspires young people to pursue careers in STEM subjects. It captures the imagination of the public in a way few disciplines can. In fact, it's one of the most powerful tools we have for driving technological development, for inspiring young people and the general public to engage with science, and for demonstrating that STEM is not merely useful, but genuinely thrilling. And there is a dimension that's often overlooked: astrotourism. Botswana, with its magnificent dark skies, is extraordinarily well placed to become a world-class destination for visitors who want to experience the universe above them. That is a truly exciting opportunity. But what has struck me most over the past 8 years is the sheer pace of Botswana's development as a serious player in international astronomy. When I first visited, the field was in its earliest stages of development. Today, Botswana is a partner and host to major international projects, among them the African VLBI network, providing the first new radio telescope in the array, HIRAX, which is this array based in the Karoo that's now beginning to take shape, but Botswana will be host to the first outrigger of that array, and Spaceflux, with BIUST hosting an optical telescope as part of a global network monitoring satellites and debris in Earth orbit. And the country has its sights firmly set on a meaningful involvement in the Square Kilometre Array. A year ago this month, we saw the launch of the nation's first space satellite, BOTSAT-1. In the background of all this, Botswana now also has a thriving National Astronomical Society, the ASB, counting professional and amateur astronomers, members of the general public, and school and university students among its members. The ASB spearheaded Botswana's becoming a full member of the IU in 2021, and we hope that this will encourage more African countries to join the Union in future. That transformation has been quite remarkable, and it's been driven by leaders at university, ministry, and national government level with real vision, plus strong partnerships forged with major international players, most notably South Africa, Germany, Thailand, and the United Kingdom. But above all, it's driven by a talented, passionate, and committed cohort of young scientists and engineers who are quite simply the future of this field. As in all ambitious endeavours, there have been some inevitable bumps in the road, but with a national space science and technology strategy taking shape, and a talented, energetic generation of young scientists and engineers leading the way, the trajectory is unmistakable. The foundations have been laid, the partnerships are growing, the confidence is real. Well, the sky above Botswana is vast and clear, and so too, I believe, is the future of astronomy in this country. Finally, I thank the conference organisers again for the privilege of being included in this occasion, I wish you all an inspiring, productive, and thoroughly enjoyable week ahead. Thank you.